Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee at ChemEng. I'm here with Jayden Dada, who is the new president of the Sydney University Chemical Engineering Society.
Yep.
It's a mouthful, so we call him SUCES.
Yes.
All right, Jayden, congrats, by the way.
Thank
It's
you.
a big deal. All right, so what are your plans for SUCES? What do you want to tell people about?
I think the two biggest things that I'm looking to do this year with my team is really provide support for students in academic and for industry-related matters. We really want to work to bring the curriculum up to what people need for their jobs, to bring the skills that students want to learn or might need to know, and sort of bring that into the classroom, but also provide students with the opportunity to do that outside of the classroom. So not just what we normally do, like speaker sessions and site visits, but also hands-on experience, like being able to put together projects, perhaps for industry. Yeah.
I love that. And plus, we're going to get a lot of student input on things like, co-designing curriculum. For example, you guys are going to help out with the DTI, digital textbook as well. All right. And SUCES is going to play a huge role in the new journal that we're starting as well.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yes, exactly. All right. So everyone, are you okay with people saying hi to you when they walk past in the corridors and stuff?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah. If anyone ever needs help, like, please feel free to contact SUCES, if not faculty. But yeah, we're definitely here to have a chat and help out whenever needed.
Yeah, that's right. And also we're trying to develop this whole peer mentoring, peer teaching culture within the school, which already exists, and we're just sort of building upon that, which is great. And we have second years or, mentoring first years already, which I think is a big deal. And I think SUCES is going to help to strengthen that links between people who, do I have experience? Like, what can I contribute? Because you guys are also going to help us with the consulting that we're going to start to put together. Yeah, all right.
Looking forward to it.
All right. Okay, great talk. Thanks, Jayden. And congrats again.
Thank you very much.
Bye.